In this video, I'll show you how to import your MetaMask wallet into the Trust Wallet app, keeping the same account and tokens. Step 1. Reveal your MetaMask recovery phrase. Open MetaMask on your phone or browser extension. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy. Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. Enter your password to view the phrase. Important, never share this phrase with anyone, as it gives full access to your wallet. Step 2. Copy the recovery phrase. Hold to reveal the full phrase and copy it to your clipboard. Step 3. Open Trust Wallet. If this is your first time opening Trust Wallet, you'll see a welcome page asking if you want to create a new wallet or recover an existing wallet. Select Recover Existing Wallet. If you already have Trust Wallet set up, tap the plus icon in the top right or go to Settings, Wallets, Add Wallet. Choose Secret Phrase, then select Multicoin Wallet. Step 4. Restore your wallet. Paste your MetaMask recovery phrase into Trust Wallet. Name your wallet, e.g. Main Wallet 1, and tap Restore Wallet. Once restored, your MetaMask wallet is now available in Trust Wallet with the same tokens and balances. Step 5. Add missing tokens if needed. If some tokens don't appear automatically, tap the plus button in the top right, search for the token by name and network, and add it manually. And that's it. Your MetaMask wallet is now fully functional in Trust Wallet, allowing you to manage and spend your crypto from the new app.